These are Adelie penguins. They live closer to the South Pole than any other penguin species. They're little, but they're tough. It's October, early spring in Antarctica, and time for these penguins to start raising families. The males come ashore first, ever so gracefully. Each male quickly claims a nesting area, then calls for his mate. Okay, so all neighbors bicker a little. What do they use to build their nests? Well, there's not much choice, really. The hunt is on for the best pebbles on the beach. Once the rock nests are built, the females move in and lay their eggs. Those rocks may not look comfortable, but they'll keep the eggs dry. It's been nearly a month since the penguins have eaten. After all, nobody delivers pizza in Antarctica. So the males take over egg-sitting, and the females head back to the sea to feed. Penguins do almost everything in groups, and that includes fishing for food. Come on, last one in is a rotten egg. All penguins look clumsy on land, but graceful in the water.